What if you could SEE your muscles working from the inside?
Every rep triggers a microscopic battle inside your body.
Muscle fibers tear, blood rushes, energy burns.
Most people train wrong because they've never seen the HIS.
Let's step inside your body during an upper body workout.
First, the push-up.
Your chest stretches like a loaded spring. Tiny micro tears begin forming.
Next, the bench press. Your pecs stretch under tension.
Blood flow increases instantly.
Energy burns fast inside. That burning feeling is fatigue.
Your shoulders stabilize the weight.
Your core tightens to protect you.
Muscles don't grow during the workout. They grow after repairing stronger.